Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Tuesday, the 26th of October. Okay, yesterday there was no actual data to be released, so there's nothing to report on that front. So let's just get straight into our chart analysis. The only open position that we currently have is the Kiwi US dollar, which we triggered last week. Currently, if you go and have a look at a chart, let me just open up a chart. This is what it looks like right now. So the entry was around about that level, and we're at that level, so we're pretty much at entry level. It's still what we're hoping that will happen is that we will push downward in this direction. So let's see if that holds, and let's see if this trade continues to play for us. So that was the original setup, and then I've just shown you where we currently are right now. Alright, let me have a look at our chart of the day this morning. Yesterday I looked at the GBP Kiwi, still on my radar, but nothing is setting up. I saw this particular chart this morning, so I've changed over to the US Swiss. And what I've noticed is that we've had a level of support. We've had one touch, two touches, and so that two touches confirms the line, and now we're coming back to that line, and let's see if the third time it holds and can shoot upwards. Now I highlighted the two candles here. These, let me just circle them just to make it really obvious. These two here, that is an engulfing candle set, so that in itself is a reversal pattern. This one here, that's this morning's candle, so it's only around about an hour and a half into formation. So the way that you trade an engulfing candle would be that you enter at the open of the candle, which happens to be right there. So we're very at pretty much at the same level where it opened this morning. We can see that it's shot down, but it's back up, and basically then we are looking to the market to rebound upward. Okay, typically with this type of pattern we would place our stops just below the low of the two candle set, which is there somewhere where I'm just indicating. You can read it off directly off your chart. Size your trade according to your risk. So if you want to risk $10, $100, whatever it is, size it to what your risk is, and then typically if that's my stop distance for this type of trade, I would expect to at least aim for 1.5 times the distance of the stop, okay, as a profit target. So let's see if this one plays out. This is a valid setup according to my rules. If it suits your rules, well then it is for you too. Let's see if this one can play out for us, and don't forget we still have that Kiwi US dollar open position as well. That pretty much that is our chart of the day, the US Swiss on a daily timescale. Alright, what's on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? Well, again, there is nothing scheduled for this session, so it's a quieter start to the week. There is some data coming out tomorrow, but not for this particular session. So that pretty much wraps up for this morning. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.